Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe, thank you. I don't know, let's get to 1000 subscribers. So I know that if you're a subscriber, you're probably sick of hearing this, but in my sneakers collection, I have a few models that I consider my favorite, like the Adidas Superstar, Climacool 1, Oakley Flesh. So I had to get different colorways. And after starting my Casio watches collection, the DW-5900 became my favorite, so I had to get different styles. I got these over the past few months. If you're curious, the average price per watch was just 77 euros, which is pretty good. And of course, all these have a glass protector applied over the crystal, and I've set the time already. Yes, I did film this a while back. So this is the DW-5900JT-6ER from a pack called Joytopia. I love the translucent purple jelly colorway, but the strap is a bit too stiff. And this has the classic typo on the back where it says Strat instead of Start, which is a huge fail. And yes, Casio does know about it. I actually had this sent to Germany for testing, and it was confirmed that it's genuine. I also got a free cool coffee table book from Casio worth about 60 euros, which I really appreciate. I thought about doing a hydro mod on this because the negative display is trash, but I'm actually going to put it on ice. This having a typo might make it worth more at one point. And this is the DW-5900WY-2ER.
Another one.
A collaboration with a brand called Wasted Youth. Check out the cool boxes. This looks like a beer can. This has a sick glow in the dark face, but I don't really like the watermark on the display when the light is on, and I'm not a huge fan of the branding on the face. Finally, this is the DW-5900EU-8A4DR.
Another one.
I really love this grey and orange version with a mirror finish on the display. Come on. It looks really sick, but apparently this version doesn't have the electroluminescent light. And I had to change to a NATO strap, which by the way is my new obsession. Most of my watches now have a NATO strap. So I know there are more versions and colorways out there, but let me know what do you think about the Casio DW-5900. Which one of these is your favorite? If you have any questions, and thank you for watching.